So, a little shop update. Shop, garage, basement, whatever you want to call it. We'll go with shop. I'm just taking a break. Got a unicorn parked over here, because that's when we're going to work on her. Clearing out everything that's on the side of the wall, just because I want to keep it nice and clean looking. My RC stuff with it is going to move. The shelf's going to move. These 5 boards are different colors are going to move. This whole yellow bench thing is going to move. All that, all this. Here comes the messy part. You know, when you clean something, you gotta put it somewhere. So it is one hell of a mess. This yellow one, we're gonna take it apart. Same with red. They've had their days. We're keeping this yellow one, because this yellow one, you can work on both sides of it. And we're probably gonna move it closer to the yellow pole, because we're gonna have a car over there, and we're gonna have a car here. Jenny's car. So we're gonna buy a lot more of this plastic racking. The heck was that? A rock. We're gonna buy a lot more of this plastic racking, just because, like, it's good to have. It looks clean. I wish it was totes that fit in it, but we'll just keep them right there for now. Light bar, truck I don't have. Spoiler, tow car I don't have anymore. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Something I found in my moving. Always bring a knife, people. I cannot stress it enough. Ooh, street glow. Ooh, impact sockets. What did Jen do with my knife? Jen's gone snowshoeing. I don't know why. She says she needs to get into the backyard, so I was like, alright, have fun. So she's gone snowshoeing and I'm just working in the basement. Had to have found the world's dullest blade. And we'll just cut this over here. If I think I can, I can. I think I just cut the box. Whatever. It is kind of car related in a way. This is pretty cool. I like it. Back to the Future t-shirt. Back to the Future all 3 cars. Wrapping paper. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Yep. It's still car related. People that know me know that I love Back to the Future. It's one of the best car movies ever. Just because I love the DeLorean. Okay, that goes back there. Street glow goes for unicorn. So what I've been doing is I've been trying to put everything that goes with a Civic. Unicorn, as I've called her. Boy, the engine bay is dirty. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean it. Mirror's not supposed to do that. Definitely not supposed to do that. There we go. So all the parts we have for the car is right on here. Pretty nice little clean setup. Tires for all kinds of cars. We got to scrape the walls because, like, this stuff's coming off. This stuff here. I just cleaned all this up. Fail. So this red shelving is going to come down. That shelf Jen wants. I'd like to clean up some of these white pipes. When we have enough money, I might call a plumber and be like, hey, let's see if we can clean some of this, because this looks really jank. Especially that one right there. Like, betcha they could have cut it way more up there, and yeah, it just looks really jank and not professional. And Like, look at that. Does that look crazy? And we have a lot of those. There's one there, and there's like one way down there, and then it's black wire here that's like bomb proof pretty much. It costs us a ton of money. So what is this? I have no clue what these switches do. Let's see. Oh. Really? That's the switch? Okay. So this needs to be fixed, because this switch here turns off almost everything. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. Yay! Cool, we found it. It needs to get brighter in here. Way brighter. Tire machine, a lift. You know, I got big dreams. Oil tank's got to go. John's got an idea for it. The pipe's got to go. That red racking's gonna go. The old furnace, oil furnace, I think. That thing's gonna go. What else? This brown thing's gonna go. I think we're gonna keep the gray one because it's pretty good shape. The steel one back there behind my dad's door, because that's all my dad's stuff over there. Well, for the most part. That steel one we're gonna keep because we got one way over there by the barbecue. All that wood is to be reused to build upstairs. I feel like Walmart vest. I gotta shave down all the walls. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I've never done it, but I want to start with this wall here. This right here will be my main wall that I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna scrape it all down, clean it, probably eliminate one of the plugs. No, I like that plug over there. Probably figure something better than just a board. Or I might leave it and just paint it. For painting colors, I still don't know what color I'm gonna go for. I'm thinking black, but I wear too much black. So I don't wanna, like, you know, look like I'm blending in. And what if we get black cars? And then for the floor, I'm thinking a nice gray with some colored fleck in it. Most likely gonna see about getting a contractor down here and to see if it's possible and how to put a flooring in. Because this to me looks like just really hard, compact dirt. When I was moving stuff, you see there's dirt right here. See what I mean? And you can't have a garage built on dirt. It's just not good. I'm thinking maybe putting a flat screen TV right in the middle, right under all the water plugs. Why not? It's a great spot for it. Anybody got any ideas? Let me know. Always open for ideas. Always open to figure something out. I know I could probably just build walls onto, like, in front of this. Drywall and then, you know, paint it black. But I like the concrete look. It lasts. It's good. But it needs to be loved. Very much needs love. So I gave Unicorn a quick wash. I'm not going to say I missed some spots, but I missed some spots. It looks more red. What a small car. Look at that. Sits in a frame. I should really be using my toggle. I think Jen bought me. I never use it because I'm always downstairs and it's upstairs. And oh, welding helmets. 2 of them. My Mastercraft welder. Ooh, it's a MIG flux core wire feed welder. I should really start using it. I got nothing to weld yet. I found a cool train spike. Like, down there. I don't know. I thought it was cool. So much work. It runs. I've driven it 500, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 800 kilometers since I've had it. So I've had Unicorn 800 kilometers. So this is just like I was telling you, just a little tour of the garage and how cluttered and garbage it looks, and yeah, Jen's grandmother clock, and something that Jen's gonna sand in the back, and then that's missing a piece, been missing a piece forever. Yep. Okay. Any questions? Comments down below. Stay tuned for more.